This is called a valve cover race. So kind of like Pinewood Derby with the Boy Scouts, except these are actual valve covers off of Corvette engines, and they've been turned into a little kit car. This is going to be the race. We'll just run it right down the floor here. And we'll see how good it makes it. Does it make it all the way? Yeah.
You need a line?
More suspension.
Almost.
Real cool.
Here we go.
Whee! He had to open the doors. That one went so far. Out in the hall. That one's got some graphite on it, I think.
I took the driver off. Pretty drag. All right. Here we go. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Well, you're gonna get this one. It goes totally down the middle.
Keep going. Keep going.
At 427.
Not quite.